Hey guys, how you doing? K.S.B here. Welcome back to another video. So today we are doing a service on the free bike. So today we're going to be doing what last time we did with the main bike, but this time with the free bike. So yeah, let's get it on the clamp. There we go. It's on. So let's have a look at it. So the brakes that I put on it look to be holding up just fine. Focus that in. Yep. Seem to be. It's not touching the handlebar, which is good. That's what you want. Seems to be spinning fine. Seems to pedal fine as well. Shift's good. Yep, that one's going good as well. Yeah. Seems to be alright. Test the back brake. I have had to replace the brake wire because it was all chewed up. So yeah, it's got a new brake wire on there. But that seems to be working fine. And yeah. But it is kind of filthy, so let's give it a clean. Try and get that bit in there. It's going to be a little bit difficult. There we go, looks a little bit better. Inside there. Let's check the pedals spin. It seems to be spinning alright. That the oval one. Yeah, it's probably the best spinning pedals that I've got. I think it's better than the main bike, to be honest. There's a little bit of bird poo on there, which is just brilliant. Let's have a look at the brake pads. Take this bit off. Maybe hard to see, but the brake pads do look absolutely fine. Have a look at the other one. Yeah, again, they're fine. Tyre grip seems okay as well. Front one looks fine as well. Check these brake pads. Yeah, it's just typical wear. Looks, that one's okay as well. It's not really much wrong, to be honest. I've adjusted these to match what it's supposed to look like. But yeah, it's braking fine, it's shifting fine. Free bike is running excellent, to be honest. I don't know what else to do with it. Well, I did put a new thing on the seat here because the other one was rusting away. Yeah, I put the gel one on because it's far better than the other one that was on the free bike. But yeah, these bikes seem to be fine. Brakes are good on the main bike. I've been riding the BMX a lot. You might have seen the Instagram post, being at skate park. But yeah, the free bike is absolutely fine. There is pretty much no wrong with it. You know what, let's have two services in one video. The BMX 2. Yeah, let's check this one out as well. So, wheels spinning okay on there. Brakes are all good. Not really squeaking that much, maybe that's a little bit. Just focus the camera. You can see in there. Yeah, it's holding though. Full pull. Yeah, I don't think that'll fall out. Seems okay. The other one looks okay as well. The seat pole is actually kind of bent. Maybe I have to get another seat pole for this, because yeah, that's a little bit bent, that. The back wheel looks okay. New freewheel seems to be doing good. Not having the issue that the old one had. Yeah, this one's fine as well. I'll give it a little bit of a clean as well. So let's do that bit in there. It's just like the free bike, there's not really that much wrong. Yeah, it's just a little bit filthy. I've been using it a lot at the moment. And just clean the inside of there. Yeah, there's not really much I can do, to be honest. But all pretty optimum. Yeah, the main bike's good, the BMX is good, and the free bike's good. Yeah, so I think I'm going to leave it there today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Maybe next time there's a bike video, it'll be a different bike. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.